Guys, what's up? Uh, it's been a while since I posted another video on some life advice, and hope you liked my last video. And uh, today I'm gonna talk about life and relationships in life, and how to deal with relationships on a daily basis, and how you create a positive environment around you and for your emotional and mental well-being. So let's get started. So today it is very important for us to have a social circle, a life which involves interaction on a daily basis, and also some people who are keeping a check with you on a daily basis and asking you how are you feeling. And there should be some good friends who keep a check on you time to time, because this gives a mental boost to your head. So it is very important that you have any sort of relationship. A relationship doesn't mean always it has to be with the opposite sex or the opposite gender. It can be a relationship which is on a level of talking as well. It doesn't has to be always physical, but it can be, or you can connect with a person deeply even while talking or communicating your thoughts. It's very important to have a life which has your work as well as your emotional void, which has to be fulfilled along with terms of work. So it is not all work. Your mind stays occupied with work, but you need to take care of your emotional well-being as well. So yeah, this is something which every each one of us should uh, keep in mind and have a circle. It is very important to have a circle of friends and social status, because that is what keeps you going. It keeps you going, and uh, it keeps you and it motivates you to face challenges on a daily basis. So for example, if your emotional void is fulfilled, then you can focus better on your work and have more positive and creative ideas. The creative juices in your mind will flow much better than what it used to if you don't have a social life. So having a social life is very important. Relationships in terms of when you say having a partner whom you can recall on, whom you can depend on. It's not like you don't need to depend on somebody, but you need somebody to share your daily insights or daily challenges that you faced during the day. You need to have someone to share that with. So it is all these things are really important and make you grow as an individual to another level. And so yeah, as per my experiences, that relationships and social circle motivate you to become a better person, a better version of yourself, and to lead a happy and successful life. Uh, Once you have success, you automatically get friends. That goes without saying. You have your success, and then you have your social circle. You should not run after making friends, and you should not force relationships. Friends will automatically come into your life, and they those who are meant to come in your life will only come. You can't force relationships or friends in your life. Yeah, this is a very important part that I want to say in this video, that people will come and go in your life. You don't have to stay attached to a specific people or friends. So even though there are very few friends who will stay with you till your entire life. Like, for example, school friends are friends who know you in and out, and they know your nature as a person, and they will support you in your hard times, and they will pull you up, and then they will motivate you, and you can once again live your life with the full energy and power you used to live it. So summing it all up, we can say that uh, you should first of all never force people into your life. You should keep doing whatever your goal in life is. Achieve small small goals first, and then move on to larger goals. As I said in my previous video, the the whole purpose of us being born is like we come here for a purpose, and we make friends along the way, but we have to do our duty as an individual for this planet, for this world. We are all working together so that this world functions. So you come as a temporary person in this world. We are working to You are working for this earthly world, and then you go and you die one day. So it is like you are born for a purpose to enjoy life as well as work for this entire creation. So and along your journey you make some friends, you go out, like you enjoy life, because that you need breathers in between. You can't just keep working. So God has made a world where we work and live together and make this world a better place to live in. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share in this video. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up, and subscribe and share as much you can, because there are people out there who really need such kind of guidance. So and I am helping as much as I can in terms of making things simpler for you, so that you can lead a much better life. So thanks guys for listening, and bye bye. See you in the next video.